So what is your message to Miss Sarah G?
With all the things that are happening right now, the family and Sarah, God willing, all of these things will be ironed out. I'm sure naman maayos din yan. Si Sarah pa naman, mahal na mahal niya yung family niya. But, syempre, she also needs to be happy.
What is your favorite shade of red? At saka ba?
This, nung nag-start ako mag-BYS, kasi sa kanila to sa BYS tong kulay na to, and then sabi ko, can I just get that? Can Rain have it? Pinayagan naman nila ako. Pero hindi na namin pinalitan yung name, yung shade.
Mm-hmm.
But I really got it because I love the color. And Queen of the Night. It's my favorite shade. Red. Kasi it's deep red, pero hindi siya brown. Alam mo yun? Red na, ika nga lagi namin yung sinasabi, pero puta red. Parang siyang gano'n. Yun ang term nila dyan, promise.
May isa kang vlog before na I think si Ogie did your makeup, tama ba? But since si Ogie, before he used to do sketches na nagde-dress up siya, was there a time or may mga times ba na ikaw naman yung nag-makeup sa kanya?
I did. Actually, nasa kabila pa kami nun. I did his makeup kasi napapansin ko, pag binimakeupan siya ng iba, mukhang bakulaw. So, try ko nga, parang mukha ka namang feminine. Mukhang bakulaw Nagpa-makeup naman siya. Naging feminine naman, gumanda naman. In fairness to me.
We've been missing you on TV and movies. Is there any update on sa
wala pang update sa akin. Plus, parang ayoko na muna mag-movie. May in-offer sa akin hindi parang hindi ko alam, parang I don't want to stress myself. Kasi iba lang ngayon ang pelikula, it's either you make it or you don't. So I don't want to be in that stressful time of life. 50 na ako, I don't want to be stressed out. So I really love that I'm singing more. I love that that's all I do. I love that that's all I do. Although it's very stressful. Itong last concert namin ni Sarah, medyo napagod ako kasi na-realize ko 8 costume change pala kami. Napagod ako sa costume change more than sa concert. So medyo napagod ako. But I like that I'm back to my, what I love to do, which is singing. Yes.
Are you going to be doing makeup tutorials using Rain?
Yeah, actually, that's the next thing that we're going to do. Although, last time na asap ako, pinakita ko talaga sa kanila na ginagamit ko yung powder foundation. Kasi baka ayaw nila maniwala na you don't have to use anything, just the powder foundation. Mukha kang in-airbrush. Nawawala yung pores. Parang may blurring effect kasi siya So, I'm so proud of it. Try nyo. Hindi nga talaga, promise. I'm so proud of it kasi talagang sobrang binusisi namin. Yung formulation, dapat creamy siya and yet it's powder. Yung hindi mo na isi-set. So, I'm so proud.
With regards po dun sa ABS-CBN franchise naman po, what can you say about it and what is your message?
We're all praying. Siyempre na the network will continue to broadcast. Marami mawawala ng trabaho. Madami nagsasabi na ang OA naman ng mga artista. Parang hindi naman po sa nag-OA kami. It's just that our job is specific. Meron lang, hindi naman kami pwedeng mag-apply sa office. At saka kami mag-asawa, pag nawala ang ABS, dalawa kaming mawawala ng trabaho. Kaya, we're praying and we're hoping that the government will allow us to continue with our work. Kasi mahirap. Kasi kung nawala na kayo ng trabaho, ang hirap din nung naghihintay ka for the next job. In the meantime, the bills, they keep coming. They don't stop. Yung kuryente, hindi naman kami kumain. Yung tubig, lahat yun tuloy, yung merong loan, tinutuloy mo lahat yun. So kahit meron kang naipon, mauubos yun dahil walang pumapasok. Diba? Kaya natatakot kami. And when I say kami, lahat kami, including the artists, including the mga actors and actresses and singers, we all are very afraid and concerned. Siyempre, it's work, you know? And we don't know if where can we get work? Kung kailan pa ulit kami makakakuha ng trabaho.